Hello guys, I finally received this package. I was waiting for it for a month now, and finally it arrived here in Italy, Rome, where I'm based. And I'm gonna do this unboxing live, for the very first time. Just to give you a little spoiler, this is, I would say, one of the best campaign and the founder I work with, and I'm very proud of being part of that journey. And finally, I also can wear one of those rewards. Oh my goodness, guys. Can you see it? This package is from Astronic Watches. One of the clients that I followed in the previous months during their Kickstarter campaign. They managed to raise a good amount of backers so far. And I'm so proud and so happy to finally get one of their reward. I really loved what they were doing, and I really couldn't wait more. Look at the detail of the watch case. Look at that. This is also a different material here. So let me open it. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Guys, are we ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, we are inside the box. That's the warranty. Astronic Watches, 2 years warranty. I really suggest you to go and check out their store and their Indiegogo in demand campaign. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. We have the stainless steel bracelet, which is my favorite kind of bracelet for watches. And then we have this incredible piece here, the Aviate skeleton red. Look at that. Let me try to put that out. Oh my god, I love the details of that. Really, really love it. Thank you so much, Kris. Really, thank you so much, man. It's an automatic kind of movement, and you can also see the back of it. Look at the details. Look at the details of the case. This is the leather strap. This is real leather with the details in red, like a genuine leather. You can see that. And yes, but probably I'm gonna wear it with the stainless steel bracelet, which is this sort of dark gray. Wow, this is, I think, so far the second or third campaign that I followed where I'm receiving one of their rewards, and I'm really fortunate. I would say I'm really lucky of working with such creative and incredible founders. I really love when I can support such creative and high quality projects here all over the world. Having in my hand something that I only saw so far through a screen, it's incredible. So thanks so much, Kris. Make sure, guys, to go and check it out. Astronic Watches is now live on Indiegogo in demand. They launched and successfully funded their goal on Kickstarter. And yeah, if you love watches, if you are a watch lover, I really suggest you to go and check it out. See you in the next unboxing.